Hi everyone, it's Alex here from Surfe. So you've synced your first contacts to your CRM. Now let's show you how to enrich them to get their email addresses and phone numbers. This is where we'll use Surfe's Waterfall Enrichment feature to find the information you need. Let me show you how it works. Here I'm looking at a prospect's business social page in Surfe's side panel. I've already synced the contact to my CRM and I want to find their contact information. To initiate this process, I can ask Surfe to find their email address or mobile number, or I can request both at once. This will trigger Surfe's Waterfall Enrichment feature, which takes just a few seconds to complete. Surfe searches up to 15 plus premium data providers, one after another, until it finds what you need. And with a 93% find rate, the results speak for themselves. Surfe even shows you which data provider found the information. And if the prospect already exists in your CRM, then Surfe will prompt you to update their profile to add newly enriched data to their record. Surfe's Waterfall Enrichment feature works the same way on Surfe App too. Just find your contact using the search menu, click Enrich, and you'll get the same results. Quick bonus tip for Surfe App users: if you have leads in your CRM who've gone cold, perhaps their contact details are out of date or they've recently changed jobs, you can re-enrich them at any time to ensure you're always working with the latest contact data. And that is Surfe's Waterfall Enrichment. If you have a question about this feature, reach out to our support team. Their email address is on screen now. And if you want to fast track your Surfe onboarding, our full playlist can be found here. Click this box to watch every video in the series. Thanks for watching and happy surfing.